Hi all, welcome back to the Testing Mentor. Today we'll be discussing about LLMs. So what exactly are LLMs? Imagine this. You're sitting with someone who has read almost everything on the internet, seen millions of test cases, bugs and code snippets, but has never worked on your product. That's exactly an LLM. It doesn't understand your system. It doesn't care about your users. It's just insanely good at predicting what comes next in text. So when it answers you, it's not thinking, it's guessing very, very well. And that's okay if you use it right. Now, the real question testers ask me, can I use this in testing without breaking things? Yes, but not the way Twitter tells you to. Where LLMs actually help, and you'll feel the relief. Let's say you get a requirement document. Instead of staring at it thinking, where do I even start? You ask, give me the test scenarios for this flow. Boom. You get happy parts, negative cases, edge cases you hadn't thought of yet. Not perfect, but your brain suddenly has a starting point. That's not intelligence, that's just momentum. Or let's say automation. You paste a flaky test and say, why does this fail intermittently? And it goes, looks like timing, maybe async, maybe state not reset. You still debug, but you are no longer alone at 11:30 p.m. That's not replacement, that's just support. When it comes to logs, we have all been there. 1,000 lines of logs, one failure, one clue hiding somewhere. LLMs love this stuff. You ask, summarize what actually went wrong, and suddenly the noise is gone. That's where AI shines. Now, where things quietly go wrong? Here's the dangerous part nobody warns you about. At some point, teams start saying, tests are green, so we are good. But who decided what green means? The AI? The tool? The dashboard? Because AI doesn't know what a failed payment feels like, what user trust costs, what a public apology looks like. AI doesn't feel fear. You do. That uncomfortable feeling when you say something about this release doesn't feel right, AI can't replace that, and it never should. So, what's the right mental model? Think of LLMs as a very fast junior tester who types well and never gets tired. You ask good questions, review everything, override confidently, take responsibility. It speeds you up. It does not decide for you. Now let's talk about the interview reality. No interviewer expects you to train models, build AI systems, know ML math. They do expect you to say, I use AI to remove noise, not to replace judgment. That line alone tells them you're safe to hire. If I had to sum it up simply, LLMs make testing quieter, faster, and less exhausting. But only humans make it thoughtful, responsible, honest. Use AI to save time. Use your brain to protect users. That's the balance. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.